was my brother at the end? Where's my brother?
Sorrow and outrage in a Williamson County courtroom today as family members of murdered Georgetown body shop owner Harvey Huber are still looking for answers. Thanks for joining us for the news at 6. I'm Brian Mays.
And I'm Quita Culpepper. The man who was having an affair with Huber's wife accepted a 60-year prison sentence, but that's not enough for some of Huber's family members who still don't know where his body is hidden. Bryce Newberry was in the courtroom earlier today as those tense moments unfolded. Hi, Bryce.
Hi, Brian and Quita. Tonight, Harvey Huber's family still wants to know where his body is so they can have a proper send-off for him. But today, they had a chance to speak face-to-face to the man who admitted to killing the man they called dad, husband, and brother. Jimmy Tschoerner came into the courtroom handcuffed earlier today. As of yesterday, the plan was for this case to go to trial next month, but Tschoerner's defense attorney says his client decided to accept the plea to avoid a long, drawn-out, emotional trial. During today's hearing, Tschoerner's attorney handed a letter from him to the Williamson County prosecutor. That letter intended to provide answers for Huber's family.
That he was my friend and everything, and I killed him. It was just over nothing. That's why I wrote the family that letter of what actually happened, so they're not always in limbo. And it's just it's a sad situation, you know. And I apologize with all my heart.
According to court documents, Tschoerner had a nearly year-long sexual relationship with Huber's wife, Melissa, leading up to Harvey's disappearance. Huber's DNA was found in locations that matched Tschoerner's phone data, showing locations he visited. Investigators say Tschoerner told friends in the days after the murder what had happened. Surveillance video showed him driving the tow truck he did for work with something in the back wrapped in a tarp that appeared to be consistent with the shape and size of a human corpse. Huber's family spoke in court today between sobs and shakes about the special person he was, a big-hearted guy who loved and cared for his family and community. Tschoerner had 2 prior felony convictions in the 1990s. His defense attorney says he will not be eligible for parole for 30 years. Brian?
Wow. Bryce Newberry live in the studio tonight. What a story. Thank you, Bryce.